Not too muddy out there.
No.
That's good.
Dang, our neighbor's already out. Gee.
We slept in too much.
Yeah. Time to get moving. Good morning. Another road day today. And man, it poured rain last night. I'll cut to a clip of it from inside the RV right now. Holy cowabunga. It is pouring rain out there. You can hear it. But it was wild. Gotta get these bikes hooked up. All the stuff disconnected. And we're good. We're getting a late start on the road today. Well, I got one bike up there. Didn't even get to show myself struggling. So, oh well. This next one goes up so much easier. You really just have to place the pedals in the right area too, so that they don't hit when you lift it up there. Almost got it. All right, we're all hooked up. Well, we got a late start this morning, but everybody's getting their Lunchables breakfast. Coffee's going. Still squeezing everything in before we book it. Get on the road out of here. Got about 325 miles to go today. Should be easy. All right, that's it. We're back on the road. Got Macker as my co-pilot. Everybody else is buckled up, ready to roll. Everything's disconnected. And here we come, Albuquerque. I just ran through a puddle of straight, soaked that truck next to us. All right, we're back in New Mexico. Clovis, New Mexico. We're about 15 miles, I believe, south of Fort Sumner, New Mexico. And it is way out here in the woods.
So, we're way out in the distance. I'm Daddy's co-pilot. Stay tuned. Watch all of our videos. They're down here and somewhere over there.
All right, we're coming into Fort Sumner, New Mexico. Do it? Okay, thank you. That is a funny looking truck right there. Made it to Fort Sumner. Get some gas. Quick walk around. Bug graveyard. I just saw a sign that said 90 miles from Las Vegas. I was like, what? But that's gotta be Las Vegas, New Mexico. Also, I really appreciate our tax dollars at work now. This road is buttery smooth now, and it just switched as soon as the county line sign came up, so I'm very thankful for that. Made it to McDonald's in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. Almost getting where we need to be. We got a nice RV parking area, so that's good. Time to go eat.
I wore the whole drive in socks. No shoe.
Well, we went in there to go order McDonald's, and it's gonna be at least 45 minutes. They're moving at a snail's pace, and it is super packed. So I was walking down there to the gas station to see if there was anything for me to eat, because I can't eat a single thing at McDonald's. Carlo forgot how to walk and tripped over his croc, lost his croc in the middle of the street, and busted his toe open. So here we are. Let's see how this thing looks. Not too bad, actually, luckily. All right, so there is like literally nothing in this town for me to eat, so I'm gonna get creative. I have some white cheddar popcorners chips. I'm gonna cover them with some leftover hamburger meat and some cheddar cheese, and then I have some leftover salsa. So I'm gonna make my own ghetto nachos here and see how they come out. And these are white cheddar popcorners. I'm gonna sprinkle some hamburger meat on these guys.
We're getting creative.
Yeah, we are getting creative. All right, we got out of that catastrophe of a McDonald's, back on the road, and now we just gotta get to a Walmart, and then we gotta get to our campsite. Today has definitely been one of the more stressful and difficult travel days, just with all the things we gotta do, all the stops we've had to make so far, and things just taking forever. But I also noticed that one of the trees we went under a couple days ago ended up ripping our awning. I'm sad about that, but other than that, going okay. The RV GPS says it's gonna take us 1 hour and 39 minutes to get to our destination. Allie looked up the distance to the Walmart and tells me, oh, the Walmart is 1 hour and 52 minutes away. And I'm like, what the heck? The Walmart's on the way. It's only like half the distance of our actual destination. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. It is in fact true, and the reason is because of this.
Whoa, what is that?
It's a parking lot on the freeway. I don't know what's going on here. We are literally completely stopped on the freeway.
You just chill and have a popsicle.
There's nowhere to go. This was a short drive too. We only have like 100 miles left. And we're going 0 miles per hour. What the heck? You think if we just start honking, you think somebody will do it? All right, let's try. I'm nervous.
You didn't do the tune right.
I tried.
Everyone's just gonna think you're a jerk now.
Who knew we would have so much fun parked on the freeway?
Okay, but I have to go. Hey, I have to go.
Ooh, I want a popsicle too.
Pull up.
People are literally starting to camp on the side. Somebody just got out of their truck and they're walking their dog over there now. These people just put their sunshade up.
The generator didn't kick on.
I heard it not kick on. Try it again. Hold it longer. Well, we were parked on the freeway. Now we're rolling again. Hopefully they cleared whatever the blockage was. We'll see. Oh, wow.
What happened?
I don't know. They went in the ditch. An ambulance van lifer went in the ditch. All right, that wasn't it. Because we're back and we're stopped again. So we'll see. Maybe the accident that we passed right there was actually result of whatever the main accident up here is. We got a truck behind us that is trying to block all the other cars from going in front because it's supposed to go down to one lane here. Now the dang generator won't start, so we got no AC in the back. It's just a mess here, man. It's a mess. There's the closure. right, so our generator's not turning on the road. Let's see what the deal is here. I think it just got flooded. Make sure there's oil in it. It's got oil though. Fired up. And we're back on the road. Truck full of groceries. I can feel it so heavy with all these groceries.
You really can?
No.
Oh.
All right, we got about 45 minutes till we're in Albuquerque, and then we're there for a couple days. See you guys when we get there. Albuquerque. All right, we made it to American RV Park in Albuquerque. We'll go get our check-in stuff. Oh yeah, we're right in the middle of those two RVs. That I like that. That'll do it. That'll do just fine. All right, we're all set up here at camp in Albuquerque.
Carlo, hi. Nope, nope, no, Carlo. Carlo.
Today's gonna be a relaxing evening. Not gonna do a whole lot, but eat dinner and probably try and get to sleep early. Got an early morning tomorrow exploring around the city, so make sure you tune into that episode. Then I will see you tomorrow. Adios.